This bedroom had good bones, however, it had been the same for the last 13 years, and it was time to change that. Today, we are going to do the same. Hi, my name is Pallavi, and on this channel I share with you a lot of my interior work. And in the process, I also share lots of tips, tricks, hacks that you can use for your home renovations or your home interior. Last week, I shared with you the balcony renovation of this home. If you haven't caught up, then definitely go and have a look at it. I'll link it somewhere on the cards and in the description box below. A real project, a real balcony with real numbers and the real challenges that we faced. So definitely go and have a look at that. Today, let's begin with the bedroom renovation.
So here's the space we're working with today. This bedroom hadn't been touched in about 13 to 14 years, and that was starting to show. Normally, when a room feels like this, my first instinct is to rearrange everything. And sometimes just moving the furniture around completely changes how the space feels. But here, that wasn't an option. The bed position had to stay exactly where it was. That's because of Vastu. So the real challenge wasn't how do we start over, it was how do we transform this room without moving anything majorly. Before deciding what to do, I inspected their existing furniture, and everything just was in a good condition. The bones of the wardrobe, the bed, everything was in good condition. It was solid structures, nothing was wrong with it. It just did not look good anymore. So instead of ripping anything out and starting from scratch, which of course would mean a lot more budget and a lot more time, I made a call that we would restore whatever was structurally sound and we would redesign whatever felt visually dated. So that is that one decision that literally changed or shaped everything that you're about to see. Starting with the wardrobe, I got the shutters re-laminated in a neutral and elegant tone, and this was one change that alone completely shifted the way the room feels. Because the wardrobe is such a large surface area, it kind of sets the tone for everything. For the loft shutters, I changed them completely to make them a lot more usable, changed the hinges out, and the study table in the corner, that had to go because it wasn't really being used and it was eating up valuable floor space. So in its place, I added a proper side table functioning with some open shelving. It looked much more better and it also made the space more functional. Remember how I told you that they wanted to have king bed and not a queen one? But replacing the entire bed I felt was very unnecessary. So this is what I did. I removed the top part of the bed and replaced it with a new large top. Now this gave them a king size bed without even tearing or rebuilding the whole base. So this is a lot more smarter and a cost effective way to solve a simple problem. And of course it needed to feel like a proper master bedroom, so I added a tufted headboard, and this is that one piece that does the heavy lift in the room. It adds so much texture, softness, but also gives that little hotel kind of a vibe to a plain bed. For extra storage, I added a chest of drawers right in front of the bed, and behind it I created a proper feature wall using wall molding. Now this gives the space a lot more architectural interest than just a flat plain wall. So for the chest of drawers itself, I used a wooden finish laminate to kind of bring warmth and make the entire area feel very grounded. Lighting was a very big focus in the project because the room genuinely had none before. So this is how I layered everything. Now we didn't want to go for a false ceiling because the loft was going up to the ceiling, but we added proper ceiling lights as the base layer. We added wall sconces on either side of the chest of drawers to add warmth and symmetry. A new light was installed on the top of the wardrobe, so kind of to give a little bit more functional light, and a spotlight in the corner to kind of highlight the open shelves. And honestly, this is a huge difference that this room is now experiencing. For the color, I brought in this beautiful wallpaper. Now it's very subtle, but the floral design really ties the whole room together. And we continue the same energy into the curtains. We hung these curtains from the window level, but we added a pelmet on top. So this is a trick that you can use to make your ceilings feel taller or the room feel taller. And this is how the space turned out.
So if you are based in Pune and you're looking to renovate your space, or just give it a facelift because it feels a little too tired and old, you want to use your old furniture and not discard it, I am here to help you for the same. All my contact details are mentioned in the description box below. WhatsApp me and let's get the conversation started. If you are not from Pune, or if you like smaller tips, you would like to know more about your fast-paced content, then you can follow us on Instagram. I share a lot of content there specifically regarding the projects and share small tips that you can use on a daily basis or in your home renovations. So I'll see you on Instagram. Definitely go and follow me for more. This entire house was renovated, so the next video is going to be of their children's room. Definitely stay tuned for that. That's also a different one. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy living.